Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi, hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group in Tableau and how it can be used. Let's get started. A group is a set of multiple members combined in a single dimension to create a higher category of the dimension. Tableau allows the grouping of single dimensional members and automatically creates a new dimension adding the group at the end of the name. Tableau doesn't alter anything with the original dimension of the members. Let me show you how to create a group and how it can be used in your report. Let me open Tableau public application. I have prepared a scenario to explain a group easily. For that, I have brought in two dimensions. One is region and another one is state into the row shelf. I have used sample superstore data. So we have four regions: east, west, north, south, and we have all the states related to each and every group, each and every region. So what I am going to do is, now that we have a central region, we have some states related to the central region in sample superstore data. For example, if you observe closely, North Dakota and South Dakota, these two states are available in the dataset for central region. So I don't want this North Dakota and South Dakota to be displayed separately. I want to group both of them into a particular group, like let's name it Dakota. So I'm selecting North Dakota and South Dakota by holding control on both of them. The simplest way to create a group is, as soon as I select, there's a pop-up over here. Let me hold the control again and select both of them. You could see a pop-up, right? Keep only, exclude, and there is a pin symbol besides this. So if you click on this, a group will get created. This is one way of creating a group. So we have group members for the two items selected. So I am selecting on the pin symbol over here to show you how to create a group now. So a group has been created. Here it will directly create a group without asking us which name to provide over here. So what I am going to do is, I will show you another way of creating a group. Let me duplicate the same, and I am selecting the group over here and degrouping now. So there is a pin symbol with a cross mark over here. I am selecting on the two ungrouped members. Now I have ungrouped it. So we have two different records. So earlier we have grouped it, now we have ungrouped it. So we can see two different records. Earlier two different records has been converted into a single record. Now a single record has been converted into two different records. So this is called ungrouping. Earlier what we have done is grouping. Now I'm going to show you how to create a group now in another way. So I am right clicking on the state dimension, and there is a menu over here, create menu. Under create menu there is an option called group. I am clicking on the group option. So I am going to select North Dakota and South Dakota, right? Yeah, here we can see North Dakota. I have hold control and I am selecting North Dakota, and South Dakota I have selected again. So we have selected the two records now. I am clicking on the group. Before clicking on the group, I am renaming it as state group new. Now I am clicking on group, and as soon as I clicked on group, we could see the name over here, North Dakota and South Dakota. I am renaming it as Dakota. Earlier we didn't have the luxury to provide a particular name to the group we are doing. So now we have the luxury of providing our own defined name over here, and provide a group name to the group we are creating freshly. So a group has been created as soon as I renamed it and click on OK. Let me bring state group new to the sheet to see what has happened. You could see, right, North Dakota and South Dakota. Here we could see Dakota and Dakota as the names over here. That means when we swap state new to here, you will be able to see what has happened. Let me filter to identify the things easily. Let me add state group new to the filters. I am selecting none. Let me select Dakota alone and see what has happened. You are able to see, right? A group has been created for these two members. Dakota, under Dakota group we have 2 records. Likewise, if you want to group as many as members possible, you will be able to create by selecting the values over here and provide a name on top of that. This is how you can create a group. As I said earlier, it didn't alter anything with the existing dimensions. It has just created a new dimension with the group created. So it won't change anything in the existing data. It will create new records or new column to the existing data. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.